I'll close it. Oh my god, what a car. Hey guys, Sumukha Kiran Rao here and welcome to my channel Falcon99 Vlogs. So as I've been telling you guys, I have to change my tire because it is totally gone, as you can see here, right? Oh, this tire has been totally gone. So now I'll be heading to the showroom. There's a place where they'll change the tire. I'll go there and I'll get the tire changed. Let me just start the bike. So I've ridden 6,500 kilometers on this bike, and in this bike I'll be speeding a lot now, so that is why you have to change the tire. The one which I'm changing is Michelin Road 5. It has a superb grip, and I still don't know the price of the tire. We'll go there and we'll check it out. Okay, so stay tuned till then. So waiting for August 15th, guys, Independence Day. I am very excited for that day because we'll be going on a ride as well. There'll be a lot of super bikes, and I can get to vlog many super bikes, and I can show you people lots and lots of bikes. It'll be a great day as far as I know. In these tires I couldn't risk riding fast. So tire is the most essential thing on a bike, so that is why I had to change it. I couldn't risk it. And by the way, I hope it doesn't rain today. It is 3:30 right now. Hope it doesn't rain. Petrol cap. I'll close it. So I just had to close that cap. Oh my god, what a car. Nice. That is one sick AMG. Crazy car. The sound is too amazing of that. See? Oh my god. Look at the sound, man. Nice. The weather is too good, but I'm scared. What if it rains? I hope it doesn't rain, man. Oh, there is a Audi A3 convertible. Awesome. I'm spotting so many good cars today. Waiting in traffic is the most boring part, but after that it'll be fun. You get that straight road, right? My handle literally got tank slapped for a few seconds. We are in Level Road now. Level Road. Lamborghini showroom. Where is that shop? Oh, really? My god, there's such a difference in the bike after I've changed the tires. Literally, it has so much of grip right now, and the acceleration is so awesome. Woo, nice. As you can see, there's no fuel in the bike. I have to fill fuel right now. One more work for me. guys, over here it started raining very heavily. I don't think I'll be continuing this vlog anymore because I have to keep my GoPro inside. Very sorry. So if you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. It is Sumuka99. I'll drop a pic over here. And yeah, thank you all. Love you. Bye bye. Take care.